Introduction about myself. Eduardo Dumapelit Johnson Jr., age 25, address at 309 Ivory Palm Street, Barangay de la Paz, Antipolo City. Fun facts about me. Yun, mahilig sa basketball, badminton, mahilig sa mayaw, manood ng movie, anime, gano'n. Mahilig sa music, playing games like sa Mobile Legends, COD, gano'n. Tapos mahilig magkape and mag-rides kasama mga kaibigan. With the start of my surname, think of any microprogramming and wiring with PLC, terminology explained briefly. Sa akin ay T, for me is timer. In the aspect of microcontroller, programming and PLC, programming logic controller, installation, a timer is crucial component used to measure and control time intervals. Timer can be used for use purposes such delay action. Timer can delay the execution of certain action or process. For example, an automated assembly line, a timer might delay the start of conveyor belt to ensure that all parts are correctly positioned. Yun, etc. Yan. And using your own word to express your initial thoughts when you come across the topic microcontroller programming and wiring with PLC installation. For me, hybrid of microcontroller programming and wiring with PLC installation. Hybrid, yung pinagkaiba ng microcontroller tsaka ng sa PLC installation, ano nga ba yung pwedeng maging kalabasan, maging output ng yun lang. Yun. Sa may about naman sa reflect on your past courses, pinpoint at least one subject you believe has connection to our current subject. I like any type of skill. Yun, M10, computer programming and CAD. Pamamagitan nito, malaking tulong dahil subject na to, it's about programming code, more in code sa darating na lesson. Yung sa topic na to, siya medyo may mga basic na kami na pag-aralan. So, ito pinaka-helpful sa amin ngayon para dito sa subject na M13. How do you think this subject is relevant to you, or how will it help you as BIT, COT, PT graduate student? So, being BIT student, makatulong ito sa amin para sa hinaharap. Kasi lahat ng pwedeng mangyari sa hinaharap ay magiging robotics na lahat, high-tech na lahat. So, may chance na mawawala yung part namin na pagiging technician or electrician. So, dapat gawin namin sa pamamagitan ng subject na to, mapag-aaralan namin yung mas advanced na about sa technology. So, sa pamamagitan nito, pwede kami yung maging maintenance ng robot or kami yung mismong gagawa ng robots. Yun lang.